Hello, and thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a signature in Microsoft Outlook 365. So for starters, I created the signature in Microsoft Word. In my opinion, it's easier to do it this way because you can copy and paste the text, format the signature however you like it, and then make the changes in Microsoft Outlook. And plus, if you ever lose your Outlook profile, you can have a copy saved on your desktop that you can re-import to your new Outlook profile. So let's start by copying the signature, opening Outlook, clicking on File, clicking on Options, and clicking on Mail. Then over here on the right side, we're going to see something called Signatures in the middle. We're going to click on this. We're going to create a new signature profile. I'm going to call this Outlook. I'm going to paste the signature. That's the photo. We're going to go back to Word, and we're going to copy the text and paste that below. Then we're going to set new messages here in the top right to Outlook and replies to Microsoft Outlook. And then we're going to click on OK. We're going to click on OK one more time. Then we're going to click on New Email, and you should see the signature auto-populated. So I'm going to go send an email to myself. We're going to call this Test. We're going to click Send, and the message should go out. Okay, so I've just replied to my own message, and you should see my signature in the email thread. Now I'm going to reply to my primary email account. Message received. And you should see my signature appear. And when I click Send, my signature will appear again for the second time. And that's it. That's all there is to it with an Outlook signature. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any questions, please like and subscribe and comment